Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to enable or disable notifications on Strava. So if you also want to enable or disable notifications on Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Strava application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner of your screen you'll be able to see the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings. You can see several settings options over here. Scroll down and here you'll be able to find the option for push notifications. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You will see some of the notifications are enabled and some of the notifications are disabled. If you want to enable the option, what you have to do is check on the box right next to the option that you want to enable. If you want to disable the notification for an option, simply uncheck the box for which you want to disable. Like this, you can enable or disable notifications on Strava. If you want to enable or disable the email notifications, tap on the email notification option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to enable or disable the email notifications on Strava. Simply tap on the option Strava updates. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. If you want to enable the email notification, tap on the on option. Now if you want to disable the notification, tap on the off option. So that is how you enable or disable notifications on Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.